Hey, so welcome to today's video. We're currently in the Canary Islands. We just got to our hotel. We're staying at the Santa Catalina Royal Hideaway Hotel. We got here this morning. We went to go get some food because our room wasn't ready to check into just yet. So we got some food. I'll show you the clips of the food. Yeah, we just came back here, had a quick nap because we didn't really sleep much on the plane. And now, yeah, we're just gonna go and grab some alcohol and then we're gonna go and get some food. So I will obviously take you with us and yeah, enjoy the vlog. Thank you. So pretty.
Hi guys, it's me. You might see that I'm starting investing Lucy's money into this. So we stay in the 5-star hotel. The best way to find out who is a big fish in this hotel is to go to the parking and chase the big fish ourselves. We don't want someone that just booked one holiday or staying here to find big fish. Looking for a good car, yeah? Let's go. We want something that basically will pay your bills as well as new leggings as well as the new mic.
What's wrong with the mic?
I want to. Ooh. So I have love-hate relationship with security. They don't know that I'm here, okay? Look at this. It's like, what are they gonna do? Drive back past you?
Curious. Listen. I will show you how to escape them.
Hey, Canary! Inga! Hey!
So we're ready now, so we're gonna go to the restaurant.
This like matched to my skirt.
Yeah.
I look good, man.
Yeah, you do.
Who's that? What's your father's?
Vintage Playboy bag, which was from Vinted.
Pineapple.
It's like cheese inside of that burger. Oh, hello. Try them.
Tastes like.
It's like gorgeous. Can you see the sauce?
I'm zooming in.
Zoom in.
Is that onion?
Yeah, I think it's like an onion chutney type vibe.
It's like
so
a
nice.
jam.
These burgers are so soft.
There's about 5 hot guys behind those bills. Hi guys.
So we just went to the restaurant. It was really nice. Wasn't in there for too long. The whole bill was €25. So we had a drink each, shared the burgers and shared the tacos. Yeah, it was good. And then we just walked back over to the hotel. It was about a 5-minute walk from the hotel, not too far at all. And yeah. We're gonna go back to the cafe. What's the cafe called?
God knows what the weather is.
Inga fancies the waiter, so we was like, we will look cute today because yesterday, obviously, we just got off the flight.
We pretend that we don't know who was that.
Yeah, we'll be like, who,
lady yesterday.
Who was that? It was not us. It was somebody else. I don't know who it was.
God knows, not us. And he's like, oh, do you want the peach tea again? And we like,
again?
Who are you mistaking this with? Sir.
Sir. But yeah, he was cute.
Choose vintage. I need to be high up, okay? You need to know who the boss is.
Yeah.
This body, vintage. Like, it was like £2. Skirt, MDV. I will not say it was French name. So this outfit in total was probably like £6.
Love that. So just like Inga, the top is from Vinted as well. Because we love second-hand out here. This is the back. Very cute. It's a Christian Dior, something like this. It was £2 from the charity shop. Accessories from Boohoo, and then the shoes are from Primark. And my toes are not being in correctly, so we're not gonna zoom in on the shoes. It's just like stunning. Stunning, 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 stunning. Stunning, 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 stunning. Oh, stop. There's turtles in our hotel.
I love turtles.
So do I. Where have they gone? Oh, that's so adorable. So pretty.
Oh my god, Sunny, guys. I will put SPF on my legs. Oh.
I didn't put SPF anywhere. Got passion fruit. Again.
Where you going? I was this close to die. Like this arm. This close. Like this. Me. This close to death. I survived. Because of my Bear Grylls tutorials. Oh my god. So guys, I'm alive. Sitting down like this, yeah? Go down, yeah? And there's police officer coming and he's like, there is the gun and he's like, stroke my arm and there's my arm. Then he's gone and he's like, the gun nearly fell out and nearly he pressed it against my chest. Nearly happened. I went like this. From this angle.
Yeah.
It was episode 2 Bear Grylls.
Get to know ya. I just wanna get to know ya.
My name's Inga. The marks on my ass, it's like it's like
Slap from me.
yeah, closely. I'm blinking twice and help. Yeah, look at this.
Girl.
So guys, as you can notice, dilf on the dilf, and on top of that another dilf. That's how I would describe the situation at the minute at this swimming pool. As the swimming one on the back here. I'll seduce him in a minute. He don't even know that he will be attacked by this professional. I have my hand balance on my knee, so it's like cool kid, you know. And then I stare. That's one of the techniques. I'll make sound like animals.
Okay, go ahead.
Hi. Oh, James started.
I've got 3 things and Inga might zoom into my boobs in just a second. We will find out how long it takes her to do it. We've ordered 3 different things off the menu that we just sat like the sound of. Inga will explain to you now what it is. She is in the video. But yeah, we ordered 3 different things, so we're excited. It's like a Russian roulette or like a mystery box. We don't know exactly what we're getting. So unless you speak Spanish, you will find out with us. Jeez, look at that colour!
Papas, rolitos, gambas. Sounds amazing.
Wow. Just show it to the guy.
Is it the papas?
I have no idea.
Pizza prawn.
Because it said, literally said guacamole.
You don't know what we're eating, girl.
It said guacamole.
Maybe not be rolitas.
Go ahead, eat some. Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. Oh, this is beautiful. Is it nice? Is it the ice cream that's pistachio?
I don't know what's pistachio about it, but don't rushing. You know why? Because we succeed. We pulled him, yeah? I looked at the dog looked at me. We had eye contact. And he was like, Mama? And I was like, oh yeah, call me Mama, so the daddy will be hitting on me.
So seduce the dog, step 1. Hey guys, so it's day 3. We're gonna go and get some breakfast and then we will go to the beach. Yesterday we went out for food and then we came back home and we were so tired we fell asleep. Like we was planning to have like lunch and then come back, like chill for a bit, get changed and then go back out and have like food and drinks, whatever. But we ended up just falling asleep, so we thought okay, we'll wake up early tomorrow instead because we're so tired. But yeah, the food yesterday was so nice. It was so cool because we didn't know what we was ordering, so we just got 3 random things, so it was really nice. Now we're gonna go for breakfast. I don't think we're gonna go to the same cafe that we've been to the last 2 days, but we'll see, just because I think it'll be nice to try something different. But we kept forgetting to bring a tip, so we're gonna maybe go back at some point just to tip them because they've got really nice service and Inga thinks that they're hot. Yeah. And then we're gonna go to the beach. Whoop, whoop. So yesterday we saw the beach but we didn't actually go onto the beach because we was trying to get food and everywhere was closed. Like everybody was saying that, you know, the kitchen's open from 7 p.m, so I was like okay, whatever. That's really nice. It's like really refreshing, like sweet. Inga just said that Mikado means stupid. I need to try yours. Yours looks cool. It does look nice.
There is some like party going on. Everyone looking like wedding guests or something. Me going like this. Bear in mind I have no underwear. There's one dilf that's literally looking at me. Posh, champagne glasses and now with Mackie's bags like this.
Guys, we got Mackey! I've never had takeaway in like a hotel room abroad before, but we really wanted to try, like, because foreign Mackey's obviously is like crazy. From McDonald's, cheese and bacon. Hey guys, so we're finally ready, gonna go for the night out. We had McDonald's in the room. It was really nice. The bacon fries are so nice. So today's our last day. We're checking out shortly because checkout is at 12 and then they're picking us up from here at 4:30 to go to the airport. So we're gonna go and get some breakfast.
This was Rex eggs with the jam. Perfect. Tasty.
Slow down. I just want to get to know ya, but don't turn around.